So I hope you're coming around on this part and understanding that almost every reserved word that you've seen, Java, C++, Python, whatever, is actually a function. Now, the syntax doesn't look exactly the same as what you and I are used to when it comes to C++, Java, but there's usually parentheses around it. There's usually some of the same format that you and I are now recognizing in Scheme. That's really, yeah, that's really what's happening behind the scenes. Think about it. For a for loop, you're giving that for loop function for parameters. Where how to start, what condition to look for, then the actual item inside for it to do, and then the actual, well, how do we increment type of thing. Now, you might remember that there's actually some of these that are optional in a for loop. So again, there's some parameters that we're passing in. Is really everything that's in a function for a for loop. It doesn't have parentheses all around it, like we do in Scheme, C++. It's a little nicer. But think about it, it's the same idea. For an if statement. In if statement, we are giving the if function a parameter. It's going to be a condition. But we also give it what, well, frankly, what we're going to do if it's true, and then, well, what we do if it's false, especially if it's an if else. Or, as you know, this is just an if. We don't have an else. It means we do nothing. So notice every reserved word that you've used in any of the languages that you know really are functions. It's really part of a functional language. And what we have and now exploring in Scheme.